Hello friend, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. And today in this video I will show you how to find your Instagram username and password. To find your Instagram username on the mobile app, open the Instagram mobile app. Now tap on the profile picture in the bottom right. And here your username will be shown at the top left of your profile. Now if we want to see our Instagram password, guys, actually Instagram password cannot be seen directly. Instagram hides password for security purpose. But there is one thing we can do to save password. To save the password, click on your profile, click on three lines, go to settings, click on security, click on save login info. Here keep the save login option on. So if we keep the save login option on, and if we forget our password or log out of our account, we will not have any problem to log in later. Whenever we go to login, the password will be filled automatically. Now I will show you where we can see Instagram password outside the apps. Go to your phone settings. Now from the phone settings, go to your Google. Click on autofill. Then click on autofill with Google. Here make sure that autofill with Google option on. Now click on password and click on Instagram. Here you will see your Instagram password. If the Google autofill option is on, then all the account password that I save on our phone will automatically saved. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.